Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your PC faster in Windows 10. So all you have to do is open control panel and go to small icons, find the power options, and here you're gonna see your PC will be on balanced or on power saving mode. So you have to change it on the high performance. All you have to do is go to create a new power plan and select high performance. In some PCs you won't see the high performance option, so you have to do it manually. I'm going to show you how you can change it to high performance if you're not seeing it in your PC. So all you have to do is follow the settings which I'm opening and set everything to the 100% or on max. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.